Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to QCR. Today we're going to polish the side of my truck right here. Huge scratches all right here, all caused by the automatic car wash, the drive-through car wash. I got a membership. I go almost every day, keep it clean. I know I shouldn't. I continue to go, but I shouldn't go. So I'm going to show you how to remove these scratches. We got this TORQ random orbital polisher. Got the orange pad on it. You can buy this from Chemical Guys or Amazon or whatever. Got the Griots Garage brand new ultra premium microfiber towels to remove the polish, and I put some wax on it. Today I'm going to be using this. This is really good stuff. Griots Correcting Cream. Really amazing stuff right here, guys. Pretty awesome. I'm going to show you how to apply this. I'm going to put it right here on this orange pad. We're going to move these big, nasty scratches. I'm going to try and bring us in, see if we can get a good view of these. So, you can see here, this right here is from the car wash. All these swirls and scratches all over the place. Look how nasty that is. All down here, all the body line is scratches from the car wash. It's pretty gross. We're gonna go through here, gonna polish it out. We're gonna do like a little one by one area, and I'm gonna show you how to do it. All right, everybody. So usually what you would do before you start polishing, you want to clay it. I already clayed it because this video is not about claying, it's about polishing. So we got our correcting cream. I've been shaking it up, but you're supposed to shake it up first. Using the orange pad, that's the second to harshest pad or roughest pad that you can find. I think the next harshest one is yellow. Just put a couple little dabs on there, just like that. Probably too much right there in the middle, but this is my first pass, so we're gonna put a lot. Put the cord over your shoulder, kind of blob it on like such. Get in there real good. Set the speed setting to a 1. You're gonna turn it on. You're gonna make 3 passes up, 3 passes back, just like that, just for a few minutes. Good thing about this Griots here is you can do it a lot and it won't burn your paint. It's formulated perfect for us new people, don't know what we're doing yet. So we're gonna go right here, try it for a few minutes and see what happens. Alright, I got it all smeared around right here. Now I'm gonna set the speed setting to a 5. Set on 5. Make my passes up and down, left and right, up and down. We're gonna wipe it off and then do it again. Let's check this out. Fresh new towel. Polish comes right off. Let's see what we got. Bring y'all in for a close up. Well, can't really tell. Look at my flashlight. So there's still some scratches to this side. Still some scratches right here. Right there. I don't know if y'all can see that. Right there. I have to go over it a few more times. Alright guys, pass number 2. A couple of drops right here. That's all you need. I'm just gonna go ahead and turn it up to a 5 and just go for it. Alright guys, that was pass number 2. Let's wipe it off, see what we got. Griots comes right off. It's really good. A couple of spots in there still. I'm probably gonna need a compound to get that out, maybe wet sand it. The rest of it looks real good though. Burrows up here. I don't know if y'all can see that in the camera. I don't think you can see it. It looks pretty good except for a couple little spots right here. So I think the way the sun is angled right now, I might be able to see it really good. But we're gonna work on this. I know y'all can see that, so we'll work on that. Gotta open it. Little dabs in here. That's too much. That was too much right there. Alright, let's work on this rough spot so you can really see how good this Griots is. Our towel, you can see in the reflection, part of polish. See what it looks like. That's good. A couple more passes, it'll be perfect. And then that's what it looks like now. I got a flashlight out here. So looks a lot better. There's the scratch. See if we can get that scratch on here. There's all the scratches. I'm gonna polish. There's a little bit right there. See a little bit right there. Probably gonna go over it a few more times. Get that out. Right there. Alright, let's do pass number 2. Alright, pass number 2, guys. Crank it up to a 5. Alright, let's wipe it off. Wiping it off. We're gonna get us a fresh towel. Fresh towel here. Look how easy it comes off. Doesn't stick, doesn't powder up. Really good stuff. I'm not even selling this stuff. I do have a link in the description though. Link in the description for this stuff. Not sponsored. So where's our scratch? There's all kinds of swirls, but there's our big scratch. That's right there a little bit. It's polished pretty good except for that little scratch. Right there. Probably need a compounded or wet sander for that big old thing. But for the main part, got most of the swirls out. All those. Trying to get where the sun hits it, so this looks like there. And there's still some up here. What you gotta do is you gotta go over it a few times. To get it all out. We're gonna go over it some more, probably 3 or 4 more times. I'm gonna finish this out, guys. I'm gonna finish the rest of this truck out, and we'll show you how the finished product looks like. Alright, so this is one pass in this new little area right here. So you can see the swirls, and then they kind of disappear. That's what it looks like. So that's one pass. We gotta make a couple more passes because I can see them here. You probably can't pick them up on the camera, but I see them pretty good. We'll do a couple more passes, and then we'll get to this section over here. See what it looks like. The reflection. That's what the reflection looks like. So I got a couple holograms in here. I don't know if you can see them right there. So we're going to swap to this blue pad. Got a blue pad. It's less aggressive than the orange pad. We're going to take the same Griots polisher. I got a couple of spots right there. We're going to go over just a quick once over, maybe a twice over. Want to remove those holograms and make this thing really pop. There's like a little, it's like a little smoky or haze to it. Got to remove that haze. All right, so let's get started. Run dirt into my paint. Just a little bit. Just a little bit is all you need. There's still a polished film on here. Just wipe it down. Wipe it down. Polish comes right off. That's good. So, I don't know if you can see it. The scratch was right here. Most of it's gone. Still got a little bit left. A little bit of swirls. A little bit, not too much. So, we're gonna go over this with a blue pad, the whole thing, a couple more times. Should get all those little holograms out. So, as you can see here, there's the sun. I don't really see much swirls or scratches or anything in there. Looks pretty good. I had to move my truck to get back in the sunlight. Little spot right there. Maybe that's just grease on the polish. Man, looks good. Alright guys, as you can see here, with my glasses on, got finished polishing it out. Looks pretty good. Can't even really see where that scratch was over here. Man, that looks good, guys. Looks real good. Looking sharp, guys. If you like my video here that I did, give me a thumbs up, guys. I really appreciate it. Also, give me a thumbs up for my mustache. I really appreciate that too. Alright, so we polished it. It took a couple hours actually. I did had to wash my orange pads out twice. Then I used my blue pad. Just take some time. If you're a newbie like me, I'm a newbie, not a professional. So just take your time, do one section at a time, and you know, let it all get done up real good, and see how well you're doing. Do it again, keep going until you're pretty good at it. Keep going until you like what you see. Alright, give me a thumbs up. Thanks guys.